Hi, in this session, we'll discuss conditional statements in PowerShell. In that, if you can see here, we have different types of conditional statements. Okay, in that, we have if condition, if else condition, if else if. Okay, so we have switch condition as well. First, we'll discuss the conditional statements, which starting with if. Okay, first we'll see if condition. Okay, we'll see the syntax. If can see here, right, in the bracket condition. Okay, the condition can be true or false, or 1 or 0. 1 for true and 0 for false. Then we have script block or statement block. We seen this script block, right, when we discussed where hyphen object. Okay. So if the condition is true, the whatever we are writing here in the script block, script block or statement block. Okay. The condition is true, which we are giving here. It will reach to script block or statement block. So this will execute. If condition is false, it won't reach here. It directly jump out from here. Okay. Just keep this syntax in your mind. So we'll start the script directly. We'll see the example with if condition. Let's open the ISC. Windows PowerShell ISC, run with administrator. Okay. So we'll give clear host. Just clear the console if anything. So I'll just tell the requirement. Just enter a number. Enter a number. Then check the entered number is greater than, we'll give any number. Okay, we'll just take 20. Check the entered number is greater than 20 or not. Check entered number is greater than 20 or not. Okay, then third condition. Print the number if the entered number is greater than 20. Print the number if the entered number is greater than 20. So we are asking user to enter any number. For that, what we'll use? Read-host, right? Read-host, enter any number. Okay. So we know, right? We already discussed, right? Read-host, the default data type will be string. So we are asking for the number input, right? So we need to provide int. Okay, integer as a data type. For that, we'll take this into one variable. Just we'll give number equal to, okay, and we'll give the data type, that is integer. Let's run the script. Enter any number. We'll just give a random number. So nothing is displayed here, right? Because it is storing into variable. It won't display anything. So we need to call that variable, then only it will be displayed. Run that again. Enter any number. So it will be displayed here, right? So we'll remove this for now. Okay. Now this is the first requirement fulfilled. enter a number, this is fine. Okay, check entered number is greater than 20 or not. So in such situation, we need to use the condition, nothing but if condition. Okay. So if is the basic, that's the reason we are discussing if first. Once we discussed if, then we'll go for if else and other conditions. So we'll start with if the what we need to check entered number is greater than 20 or not. Okay, user enter the number here, then it will store to this variable, right? So we need to give the variable name. This is the entered number stored in variable, right? Entered number stored in variable. So we are giving an variable here, that is dollar number is greater than, we already seen this operator, right? Greater than for GT for greater than and G for greater than equal to greater than 20. Then if this condition is true, the statement block will execute. For that, we just provide $20. The number will print. Okay. If the entered number is greater than 20, that will print. That number will print. Okay. If not, if it is less than 20, there will be no result. We'll see this. Enter any number. Will give 7. It is not print because it is less than 20. We'll give one number greater than 20. 44. See, it is printed here, right? So we'll just use right-host, right-host. The entered number will be dollar number, right? Is greater than 20. We'll give one color code. We'll see this now. Enter a number. 30. The entered number 30 is greater than 20. Okay. So we'll run the script again. We'll give number 4, which is less than 20. So it is not printed anything here, right? Fine. So we'll see right-. We'll just make this statement out of the statement block. Okay. Right-host. The entered number, give number is less than 20. We'll see this. We'll run the script. Now we'll give 2. Okay, some spelling mistake. We'll run it again. We'll give 4, which is less than 20. The entered number 4 is less than 20. That is fine. Okay. So we'll give the number which is more than 20. Give 40. The entered number 40 is greater than 20. The entered number 40 is less than 20. Okay. The problem is it is executing this both, right? Okay. When the condition is right, this should not be executed, right? So we'll remove this for now. So you're clear about this condition, right? If greater than 20, this statement block will execute and we'll get the result. The enter number is greater than 20. Okay. So We'll write one more condition, one more if to overcome that. If it is less than 20, we need to write, right? We need to display that. So if the entered number is in the above, we have given greater than 20, right? Not greater than equal to. So in this case, we'll give less than equal to. Okay. If we enter 20 or less than 20, it should display the entered number is less than 20. Okay. Less than or equal to 20. If it is only less than, we can give a LT. We are giving less than equal to. For that, LE. We already seen this operator couple of times in the previous sessions. So less than equal to 20. Close this condition. Write -host. The entered number will give $number is less than or equal to 20. We'll give some color. And here we have not started the statement block, right? Start the statement block and close this. Okay. Now we'll see. Enter any number 40. The entered number is greater than 20. That is fine. The first condition executed. Now we run the script again. Enter any number, we'll give 5, which is less than 20, right? We'll enter. See, the entered number 5 is less than or equal to 20. Okay. So we'll run it once again. We'll give number 20. See, the entered number 20 is less than or equal to 20. Fine. So now we'll understand the flow, how this is working. Okay. If the condition is right, which statement it is taking, where it is jumping, if the condition is right. If the condition is wrong, which statement block it is jumping. Okay. And for that, we have debug option just to see the flow, how this condition, how the script is working. Okay. The debug we can use when we end up with any error or something, right? That time we can make use of debug option. Okay. It will show us how the flow of the script. Okay. For that, what we'll do, we'll keep the cursor in the beginning of the first line here, clear-host. It starts check from there. Just click on debug. Okay. So first we need to enter toggle breakpoint. This is nothing but just create one breakpoint. Okay. Or press F9 in your keyboard. So here it is not showing, right? It is grayed out. What is the reason? What might be the reason? So it is not saved. We'll save the script. We'll give some debug or something. Okay. Now the script is saved. So we'll do the same step. Keep the cursor in the beginning of the first line. Go to debug. Toggle breakpoint. This is nothing but start the breakpoint, or you can press F9 in your keyboard. Okay. When we click on that, this is selected. Nothing to do with this. Now again go to debug. Now we need to press this one, run or continue, or F5 in your keyboard. Just click run or continue. Right? Here you can see, right? I line breakpoint, hit line breakpoint on C. Okay. So now we already pressed run or continue, right? Okay. Now again we'll go to debug. Just click on step over. Step over is nothing but just coming down, and step into is just go back. Now already it is cursor is on first line, right? Now we'll just Click on step over. We'll see what will happen. Okay, it is jump into next line, seventh line. Why it is not jump into 3, 4, and 5 line? That is common, right? We place the hash, so that won't execute, which we already discussed, right? So where we put hash, it won't execute because we have given this is a comment. Okay, just we have given the comment, it won't execute. So it is directly executed, jumped into seventh line. Okay. Now we'll again go to debug and step over, or you can press F10 your keyboard. Okay. If you want to go back, step into. Now we'll press step over. So it is asking us to enter the number because we understand the flow, right? So debug option is asking to enter the number. We are in this option, read -host. Okay. We'll give the number. We'll give more than 20 value. We'll give 33. Just enter. And after entering that, this is automatically jumped into if condition. This is checking this condition. If number is greater than 20 or not, right? Then we'll go to debug. Step over. Yeah, number is greater than 20. So it will reach to here in the statement block. Okay, this condition is true. That's what it is reached to this statement block. Now again we'll go step over. Okay, this is executed. Okay, sorry, this one. This is executed and jumped into this line. Here you can see, right? The entered number 33 is greater than 20. This is executed and jumped into next line. That is next if condition. And checking here as well. The entered number is less than 20 or not. We entered 33, right? So that this first condition is right. This is greater than 20. This is executed and checking the second condition. Less than 20 or not. 33 less than 20 or not. We'll go to debug. Just step over. No, right? Because this condition is false. So it is not reached to statement block. It is directly jumped out of the statement block. Okay. This is how it works. You can check the flow, and if you end up with an error, you can check. Okay. So now we'll go to debug again because it's already selected here, right? We already created the breakpoint. So if we want to come out from that, click on remove all breakpoints. See, now it's became normal one. You can edit if you want anything. Okay. So we have discussed if condition, how to write the script using the if condition, and how to debug. In the next session, we'll discuss how to write the script using the if condition. Now we've seen very basic one. So we use some multiple options and write a script with if condition in the next session. Okay. That's all in this session. Thank you.